Action! All right, so today is, what is today?
July
21st of July. It's about 1,000,000 degrees outside. We are in the Stone Community Center called the, I can't say it,
Pomposititcut.
Pomposititcut, thank you. So this is week 2 of our American Hustle. So what we did is we reviewed what we already had done, and then what we did was a back break, side break. So we're going to show you that. So we started, we've just finished the last of the she-goes, and as I turn, I'm going to open out. Got that? So now my left foot is free, her right foot is free. We're going to go and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. We'll do that again. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Then what we did is we did a behind the back pass with the ladies bridge at the end, and we had a couple variations of that. So we've just finished the back break, side break, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the behind the back pass. So I'm going to do a back break here. I'm going to come across. We're going to change places, and then we're going to do the underarm turn and back out. A couple of variations on that. So we can do that. We can do the roll in for the leader. So he's going to be turning left as he goes in. So we have and 1, he rolls in. Does basically the same thing. And then the other option was an underarm turn. So we have where he turns himself, which is kind of cool. And 1, 2, 3, and 1. And then we finish. And back in, if you'd like, or open. Cool. Thank you. Yay!